Good morning, friends. Welcome to this beautiful journey of learning Hindi. I am your AKS sir, and if you want to learn the basics of Hindi language and how the words and sentences are formed, we must have a clear understanding of the different sounds of the vowels and the consonants. So, let's see an example. If I take a consonant k, this is k. We pronounce this consonant as k. Please note that to pronounce any consonant, vowel sound is already there, because without vowel sound we cannot pronounce the consonant. So I have written k. So with k there is a sound also, and I take a different consonant, that is ma. Ma. It is ma with a sound. So here it is k and this one is ma. When I join these two consonants, it becomes ka ma. Come. It is come. We pronounce this as come. It means less. Come means less. If something is less, we use this word, that is come. But if I put an extra vowel sound, that is a sound, with this consonant, it becomes ka. The sound will be ka. That is a larger a sound. So, what I have done, after writing this consonant, I have added a straight line. This straight line is the symbol of a sound, and we call this in Hindi as matra. As matra. So what are matras? Matras are the different symbols which are used to represent vowel sounds. So ka plus a, that is ka, and when I add this ma also, ma consonant, now it becomes ka ma. It is calm. We pronounce this as calm. So calm means work. Calm means work. So with this example, we can easily understand that just because of an additional vowel sound, the meaning has entirely changed. This is come, which means less, and now this is calm, that means work. So, in Hindi, different vowel sounds are added to any consonant, and we get different sounds of Hindi. So, in this video, we are going to learn how the different vowel sounds are added to any consonant and what type of sounds we get by adding that matras or the symbols. So, let's start this topic. So, friends, let's understand how different vowels are and what are the sounds associated with those vowels. In Hindi, these are the vowels. This is the first vowel of Hindi, that is A, and this one is A. It is a bigger one. When a big A is there, we call it as a sound. Then E. This one is E, a small one. Next is E, a big one. E. This is E and E. Next is oo. Oo sound is there. Small oo. Oo. Next is oo. A big one. Oo. Then re. Re. A. A. This one is A. This is A and A. O. The sound is O. and this one is ow. O and ow. If there is some nasal accent, we call it as a sound. Um, and the last one is aha, aha. To represent these sounds, some matras or the symbols are used in Hindi. So let us understand what are those matras or the symbols. For a sound, a, we use a straight line. We call it as matra of a. A ki matra. A ki matra, that means matra of a. This is E, small e. And to put, we use this symbol, and this symbol is added from the left side. We will understand this by taking an example. First, we see the different symbols or the matras. This symbol is used for E sound, a larger E sound. We use this symbol. Then there is U, U. So we put this type of symbol for U sound. Now this is U, a big one, and to represent this U sound, we use this symbol. We use this one below the letter. Then there is re sound, re, and for this we use this half semicircle, this type of symbol for re sound. Then a, and for this we use a slanting line on this horizontal line. So this is a, and if a sound is there, a, we use for a sound, we use a single slanting line above this horizontal line. We call it as a ki matra, a, and this one is a, double slanting line. Double slanting line. So this is for a. Now O, the sound is O, and for this sound we add this matra. There is a straight line and one slanting line above this line. So this is called O ki matra. Next is O. For this there is double slanting line above this horizontal line, and one vertical line is also there. So this type of symbol is called O ki matra. Then if nasal sound is there, we use one dot above this line. So one dot represent this ki matra. And last one is aha. And for this aha sound, we use two dots after or beside the consonant. So to understand how these matras are used with the consonant sounds, to understand how these matras are used with the consonant, I have taken the first consonant. The first is consonant k, and how we draw this? We draw the horizontal line and one vertical line in the middle, vertical line, then put a circle here and a half semicircle here. So it becomes k. It is k. We use this sound or the k consonant in many different words. We will see it later. First, try to understand the first consonant, that is the k sound. If there is no additional vowels is added, we write it as k only, k. But if a larger a sound is added with the consonant, it becomes ka. It becomes ka. And for this, we add a straight line, this matra here, it becomes ka. This is ka, and now it is ka. Again, for this e sound, e, we put this matra from the left. So it is added like this. Now, sorry. Now this become ki, ki. And for the big E or the larger E, we add the matra from the right side and it becomes ki. It is ki, ki. Note the difference. Ki and ki. Now, the matra for U sound, U. And this matra is added below the consonant. It becomes ku, ku, the small one. And for this larger U sound, we add the matra below the consonant. It is ku. It is ku and ku. And for re sound, we add this symbol here. It becomes kri, kri. Now, for A sound, we add one slanting line above this consonant. It becomes K. It is K. And for A sound, we add these two slanting lines. Now it becomes K. It is K. This is K and K. Now, for O sound, we add this matra like this. Now it becomes ko, ko. And for O sound, we add this matra like this. Now it becomes ko. This is ko and ko. For the nasal accent, we put a dot like this. It is come, come. And for the aha sound, we add two dots beside the consonant. It is kh, kh. Ha sound is there, kh. So in this way, you can easily understand how these matras are used for different types of sound. We will take some more example to understand how the matras are added with the consonant. Friends, as you have already seen the use of the matras with the consonant, for more practice I have written two additional consonants. Let's see how these matras can be added with the consonant. This was k. Now this is p. The sound is p. And this is s. Let's see how we write these two consonants. This is p. To write p, what we do? We draw one line like this and one line like this. Then we draw like this. So it is p. Now it is p. And for this, we draw like this. And now it becomes sa. The sound is sa. So let's see how matras can be added with these consonants. This is pa. There is no additional sound. We write it like this. This is pa and this one is sa. Now, if there is a larger a sound like pa, as in papa, pa, pa. For this sound, what we do? We add the matra for a. This is pa, pa. Now, this is p, a small p, p. And this is p, a larger one. This is p and p. Now, if we add this matra here, it becomes pu, pu. And pu. The big one, pu. The matra for the big u, that is pu. Pu and pu. Now, the matra for re, we add like this. Now it becomes pri, pri. And the matra for a, it is pe, pe. Now, matra for A sound, it is pa, pa. Now, the matra for O, it is po, po. And the matra for O sound, it is po. This is po and po. If one dot is there, it becomes pum, pum. Ma sound is there. With pa, no. Pum. And these two dots make it as pa, pa. In the same way, we can practice it with the sa consonant. This is the sa consonant. It is plain sa sound is there. Now it is sa, big one, sa, small e sound, c, and a big c sound, c. This is c and c. Now su, a small one, su, and su, a big one, su and su. Now sri, sri. A sound, say. It is say. Now a sound, it becomes say. It is say. And o sound, it becomes so. This is so. Now this one is so. Now it is so. Sound, some. And this two dots, saha. So in this way, you can easily understand how the sounds are different when different type of matras or the symbols are used with these consonants. So for the practice time, I am giving you two words. I am writing cap. You know what is cap? It is cap. How can we write this cap in Hindi? Please understand what we are doing. It is cap. K plus a. K sound is there. A sound is there. So it is ka and po sound is there. So cap can be written like this as cap in Hindi. So in this way, you can easily practice different types of sounds, how they are written and how they are pronounced. Please keep watching my channel and work with me to understand the knowledge of Hindi. Thank you.